Hey guys, welcome outdoors. Today, I'll show you something. There's Dad. There's our boat. Yep, we got a new boat. So, what do you think about our new boat?
Perfect.
It's what should we call it?
All right, it's up to you. Name it.
Okay. So we will use it for duck and fishing. The Major.
The Major?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it'll get major fish in it.
The Major.
Or what? Do you have a better idea?
Oh.
Up to me?
Major. Okay. Chub tub.
No.
Yep, the chub tub.
Nope.
Your fish will be chubby, and you're chubby.
No.
And I'm chubby.
No.
Yeah, chub tub.
The
Mom will
Major.
like that. Mom will like that too.
No. It's
Chub
the
tub.
Major. Major.
That's stupid. The Major. Okay.
Okay.
Chub tub it is.
Well, you heard it from him and me.
Major.
Yes. Major chub tub. I'll go with that. So, the Major chub tub.
You're gonna get sick watching that. You jumping around.
I'm not.
Okay.
So, the Major chub tub.
So we're gonna play a song called "We're Up So Cold." Which band do you think I'm gonna play?
So, if it's the Major chub tub, let's say what we would use it for.
Fishing.
Fishing, duck hunting, and just me and Leo going out on our own.
Sure.
That's what he said. So I think that's all for today's video. Well, it's a short video, so
Maybe we'll do a maiden voyage.
stay tuned on today's video. Well, now we have to head back home. So,
Peace out. Peace out. Hey guys! Welcome to Dogs!
so we
Hey guys!
we've decided
Welcome!
to name it the Chub Tub. Or how would you say it, Dad?
The Quinton tub.
No,
Oh.
Chub Tub.
Oh, chub tub. I thought we said the same thing.
No, you wanted Chub Tub.
The dab tub?
No, Chub Tub.
Chub tub?
Yep.
Okay.
So, peace.